Hey guys, I'm in the car again. So I need to do an apology video or a retraction video. I made a video about force angles. Not even just force angles, but it was about I talked about a lat pull down or a cable row, on how the video that I had shown of somebody else, that, we had the conversation back and forth, when I kept saying discuss before you disagree. So when I messaged the individual in the video and we talked about it, and didn't agree with a lot of stuff, and anyway, it was the crossbody where you feel the stretch and then you pull for lat function and activation. I said no, that was incorrect because you're missing out. You need to be full on 90-degree pull and retract the shoulder a little bit. Science has proven me wrong, and we will get better from that. Basically, when we do the normal row, like a low cable row or anything, and we're pulling back and we're throwing the chest out and those elbows are coming back and we're squeezing those shoulder blades together, yes, the lats are working because it's going to work on any row. However, the mid-back kind of takes over a little bit too. So I was wrong. That exercise actually is pretty good, because I tried it, because I was showing somebody and I was like, hey, look at this thing. And then I was like, God damn it, that actually works. So like I said, discuss before you disagree. Try it out. See if you like it. Who knows? Maybe it'll actually work for you. So I just wanted to come out and say that yes, we can do that. We can correct ourselves. So have a great day. Take care.